Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat ki Khongsni Khasinews Shillong. Wanra UMLA kamau ringkeneng daga call attention bayo rung kibriu na shabat. Bu jingkeli kaliang persya halor ka tulop kinong hikai. Kum kanong job wan pai ka Samla Stella Khongsni pediang burong ki bahaya. Ban sanlak tang Shillong kinong shnong haban penbait renti bha ong ukonrat. Bat mentang ina pai shiki Khubor ki pakambanya. UMLA kamau ringkeneng ba HS Kharpran ulawan ra daka call attention hapo ying dorbar tauan ke Jylla halor ka jingyo rung ki breu ki banabar syakane ke Jylla haba jubab halor ka call attention usembut menteri rangba ke Jylla ba Preston Tensong ulaong ba kalong ka badan kam ya baro ban ai ka jinga trelang bat ki bor badai pen knang banyo tokit benya bat penshisha daka lenti ka badai habadon kum kini ki jingja
of HYDC. These persons stated that they were residents of the Khubor district, Assam, and were traveling to Shillong, East Janti Hills for work at a construction site. Mr. Speaker, the police verified their identity documents and it was established that all 7 persons are Indian citizens. Though they were initially unable to produce their labor licenses, the matter was verified with the Labour Department, which confirmed that all the concerned labourers possess valid labour licenses issued through the concerned contractor. On completion of due verification, all the detained persons were released. Sir, it was also reported that the driver of the vehicle and some of the labourers were allegedly assaulted during the incident, for which medical treatment was provided at Maurangkneng CHC. Subsequently, a written FIR was received from the President Yatli Lang Driver Association, and a case has been registered at Maurangkneng Police Station under relevant provisions of the BNS, and investigation is presently underway. Sir, I would like to inform this August House that to address the challenge of illegal migration and recognizing the need for robust border and internal security management, the government has put in place a comprehensive and multi-layered anti-infiltration mechanism through the Anti-Infiltration Directorate and the district police units. Sir, at present, 18 anti-infiltration checkposts, check gates and land custom stations are operational at strategic locations along the interstate and Indo-Bangladesh borders. These are supplemented by anti-infiltration special squads functioning in all districts, which regularly conduct anti-infiltration drives, surprise Naga checks and patrolling in vulnerable areas, in close coordination with the Labour Department, village defence parties and the local authorities. Sir, 11 district task forces have been constituted across the state to detect and deport illegal foreign nationals through regular checking and coordinated enforcement involving other departments. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, these sustained measures have resulted in significant detections and enforcement outcomes from 2021 till 3 to 2026. A total of 658 Bangladeshi nationals were detected in the state and prosecuted under relevant legal provisions. During the same period, 194 Bangladeshi nationals were deported after completion of the
Kaliang persya joka ying dorbar tauan ke Jylla kalabu jingkeli lakadon em ke jing penslam ban siu ya katulop jong kinong hikai ha ke Jylla haba juba bhalor kani menteri ketenat pule puthi ke sarkar Jylla ba lakmen rumboi ula pentip ba ka sarkar Jylla kala shemkhia ban penbet ya ki jing haba ya dei ba ka jing slam ban siu tulop ya kinong hikai menteri ula pentip ru ba menta ke sarkar kala penkre pentrekam daka portal kabalatip kum ka Meghalaya School Information Management System ban weng ya ka jing slam ha ka pa ya ka jing turwa ba ya dei bat ka tulop.
Yes, sir. as you have, everybody knows that the problem or the grievance of the teacher is one of the major issue which bog down the education department from time to time. But I'm very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Cabinet on the 19th of December 2025, where they have approved that for all the categories of these grant aid teachers, they will bring into one umbrella is that the new pay, structured pay framework for those fixed pay teachers. And the implementation of this new structure will start on the 1st of April 2026, sir.
Mr. Thaba, please. Sir, such delays are affecting the moral and performance of our teachers. So I just want to know from the Minister in charge of Education, has the Education Department dedicated a specific or separate salary head to prevent future delays?
So the Education Department have the different heads for this salary. So for salary, so there is no issue with this. The only thing is that there is the issue is that during this so many years that we find that sometimes the delay is there. So that to streamline all these things, the government come up with this new system where we could check where is delay happen, and so that the burden or so that it will ease the mind of the teachers, so that they will get the salary on time, sir.
Okay. Mukul, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, now this issue related to the salary of the teachers, there's quite a substantial disparity in respect of the salary which are being paid to different categories of teachers. Now, this issue has been a matter of concern, and it is only appropriate that we must take cognizance of this huge disparity and do justice to those categories of teachers who are being paid abysmally low. So I have not seen government taking steps to address this issue. So may I therefore, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, get a categorical response of the government in this regard.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 12th of February 2026, the government issued one notification, whereby may I read the operative part of it, that lower primary school, 0 to 5.
Kiba hayeng Assam jaga Samla Stella reka Khongsni kiba kentup nadu ki kemi ki kpa lembat ki kur ki kha jongka hini kesni kila priang buram yala ka khun haga jingla jongka ban wanra nambat buram ya ka Jylla Meghalaya lembat yala ka ying kasam naka jingjob jongka ya ka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast arajar arbun rio haka 22nd edition kabala long haka Jylla Assam Guwahati haka khatlai tarik Rymphang arajar arbun rio bala penyad daka Mega Entertainment. Ka Samla Stella reka Khongsni kadai ka wei na ki Samla khasi ka bala job bat shajit kan thop biki wei pat ki ba na ki Jylla kum na Manipur bat Sikkim. Ya ka Samla Stella reka Khongsni la pediang burom ha Umyam viewpoint dam side Rybhoi district.
Wana komati and ngalong very grateful, very happy ngaso shisha bangai job ekanika title nama ba mdiri tang job tanga job mdiri tangat baro ki family jonga bakam tam baro shi state Meghalaya tang sekumen ha bangai yopan man ba nam na Meghalaya ju
hai kene kalong
kanika pageant kalong hapo goti manus nami ni dan hapo goti ITA complex mashkowa goti te kanika they organized by a Mega Entertainment Mega Entertainment kanika bala pawbha ka pageant bala penya iki pageant se kila yarap hai ni groom us very well in so many aspects into there
nakne ke Jylla tang ma phine dang don ki ba
nani na Jylla jangi Meghalaya jan sangot kan thai but ang shin dang balit represent ka Meghalaya te de ngalong sungu ha bangayo bandon ringkat lang bat kin matla kershan ha yang aru kamtam bahayin jonga bala kershan yang haduk kan ni da picture ni kia download hang ni baro de ki palok jonga aru ki bala wan yang de barok kasih kala aisin yang kamtam ka Shillong jonga na penuslaru kila kershan yang barok kila aisin kila through Instagram through text calls kila aisin yang tengah semua shisha bang ayo kan na di tanya kasih bai Shillong bahasa the isla
betul cincok cuti kadi simban ton
ngasang pageantry hapor ba hajar kuwe ngalek Shamis Shillong. It was my first pageant tengah yo top 5. Tengah ongan seleb yang next year tengah yo first result. And then ngalek yang 2023 ngajak Miss Meghalaya 2023. Then ngayo chance when it represent yang Meghalaya Miss Northeast 2023 abang yo top 5. De 2025 I thought I should go again tengah lek nak yakenika Sunset Mega Miss Northeast. So hang turun yo top 5 again. De ongan mlek show the pageant it will be the end but this young somehow long pun tak tahu ngalit le dengan job winner again this time.
Tiga ni Malay. Kani ke job kita kebut kedai karang di kami berpihak benda.
Okay.
Ini kun.
Oh okay. So Hasan Silk Mega Miss Northeast but Mr. Northeast ro kalong ba ni Kim Crown ni tang iway nong job ki crown line with kilong job nama ba ki kwa ba bandon bandong equal kin kilong job mendere bandon first one sub second one sub artat nama ba ki bon ha ki participants artat long bon ha ki states ro ma tang kan ki states long ki kwa ban penbun ki winners bangin yo ban inspire more and more states more kena ki states na bon ki states mo pakin one participate pakin long inspire te na tengah long men bang yo ban job ya ka Meghalaya.
Kemudian hakani ka 22nd Sonsil Mega Miss Northeast. Kadi kasi bring kong kemudian friendship.
Kani kadi sin baar te tang baha ka Miss Northeast pat kadi balai. For first time ngale ako sikip hajar apply ngayo top 5 and then minta ngali le no so kani ka way pat ka Miss Northeast ka ka Mega Miss Northeast kami te ang ni ngayo ngali
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Ki Sangma ulayat hu ba tang hanong ba Shillong kiladon palat sanlak ngut kinong Khongsni. Badai nakani kadaw balahap ban penbet penrenti bha lakalong hakalek kawan kajaka penyeng kali kayau kahat ban penne yaki kiwa bat kiwe. Yakane ula juba bhalor kajingya tai lingkot hayeng dorbar balawanra ada UMLA kamau ringkeneng MLA kamau kerwat bat kumju UMLA kanong thamai halor ki kampenroy ki bapentre ha New Shillong Township.
So Shillong is growing rapidly, which of course is bringing pressure like congestion, limited parking, stressed water and drainage system. And these challenges are made harder by our hilly terrains and limited land. But we are tackling them with a clear and a phased plan. Today, small steps like street vending has been organized, with hawkers shifted to safer designated zones. A new city-wide fleet of 120 buses, including electric and AC buses, is being rolled out. The river rejuvenation, drainage cleaning, public space improvements are underway, and parking is being addressed through regulated on-street parking and 11 upcoming multi-level car parks. With Shillong population now exceeding 5 lakhs. So we need two-pronged approach. One, solve today's problem in Shillong. And two, build tomorrow's opportunities in New Shillong. So as we are all aware that we have set ourselves a target of building a $10 billion economy by 2028. And the economy rests on several pillars. One of the central ideas is to create a strong growth hub that can drive jobs and investment. So between 1995 and 2007, 915 acres were already acquired in Maudiandiang, Maukasiang, and Sauli under Muda. Post-pandemic, we have been completely focused on transforming this idea into a functioning reality. We have operationalized
Kumshi banta ban play lat play lenti yaki khun samla ka than ribhoi ban yo kam yo jam ban pen kre yaladi hakikam shabar Jylla bat shabari. Ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society MSSDS ribhoi district menta kasngi khat nyau tarik Rymphang kala penlong yaka recruitment drive ha district library nongpo naga banta ki khun samla jong ka dong bat ka than ribhoi. Uba Saibok Kriam, Skills Development Officer ka MSSDS Ribhoi, habakran shakilat pathai Khubor, ulayat ho, baka jingtmu jong ka society ban penlong ya kum kini ki program, kalong ban plilat plilenti ya ki samla ki bakwa kam, knang bakin yo yala ki lat jingarap, hakaliang ka jingyo kam jingyo jang. Ulaong ba hakani kasngi, ki samla ki balawan syakane ka recruitment drive, kila hab ban penrung kerteng shwa, bat hadian kata kila yo banyak keren bat ki counselor ban yo jing tip ka ba company syapang ka jing terang bat ka jing angnu jongki hadian kani la penlong ya ka interview hakaba ki panelist kila keli jing keli ban bishar ya ka jinglong jingman bat ka jingya day jongki bat ki kam ki baki kwa ki samla kila habru ban ya deng ba saka weipat ka interview shwa ban shajid ban lit pentebet ya ladi hakikam ki jam ki ba ki snauten Uba Saibok ula pentibru baka office kan penkut ya kane ka program tang hanongpo. Henry kandang penlong sa kum kane ka recruitment drive. Ha sning block ha ka arphuai tarik Rymphang bat ha bhoi Rembong ha ka arphu sau tarik Rymphang.
Pi baro keteng jangan di Saibok kriam pada di skill development officer SDO jong office MSSDS. Baka office tekom jungi kadana po Shillong ake po aja ting road. But aman ki district kita nak Jylla regional office. Ngatre ni apa SDO ni apa Ribhoi district ni apa district office. Yang mentah segini pelong ikan ka recruitment drive. Yang mentah ki nak samla ni ki di orang bak mana menurut ki bakwa ban wat kam macam. Mentah segini pelong ni apa district library ni apa nompo. But la aku tarik dulu yang sebelum hari apa hosting blog buat la absau tarik hari apa barang mau blog te kajing tu jong ka nak office jong ni net pore MSSDS Meghalaya State Skill Development Society kan pelong komiti judge program pelong namta kita ki kena samla neki unemployment ini neki beri ba ada kajing pulih ki bawat kam jam bagi jarap yaki ban pinyo kam jam te kawai kami objective dulu kalau bagi ban connect ki employers kini employers Kimplas jungi kilang kimdei tong nai nampo Meghalaya kita nu kiban nampo India berkumjuru ki international te mentang singing la dong kene ka recruitment nya nampo te register ki kena amne ada kena register tu idan kawai ka counseling team members ma ini ki counseling team members par ki kerap ni ki counsel issue ki namwat kam ban kena ka kam ka ba ya hab nam ta juki but that nang tu par ki sedang ki panelist mo interview ki screen kanya ki page karukom communication skills ki interviewing skills jom ki but lingba kani ka interview menta kasi nisa sambiang sakoi ka final round interview but ki employers ki ba nabar India punjur ki banyak ko India kerpar Kuni ki kena samla neki orang ba mana bagi buat kam macam hani apa time Ribhoi bagi nyawan yang mi syakane ka interview ya saya di ka recruitment drive apa mentasi pada hani apa nompo menjuru la arwai tarik ati apa muslim blog bat la absau tarik ati apa bareng blog bat kaniru kamde tong kasin banding kom bangin penong ya kane ka recruitment drive bat ini khamar ru ni penong show kum kini kita recruitment drive nang ba kitu ki nak samla ki ba neki ri orang ba mun di ba wat ni ka jang ila ban yo jingarap ka jimentoi neki tan kini reshipun
Kinong snong ka snong mau rapat ka bahab hapo ka mau senram sian adi blok Kilapan pau ya kajing bitar halor kajing le donbor urang pa snong ka mau rapat ba kermen scam shangdiar ban penkenria ya ka school mau rapat lower primary na ka yeng school sya ka yeng dor bar snong Habaya gran shikila pathai Khubor ha ka khat nyau tarik Rymphang ar hajar arpun riu ha Shillong Press Club uwe na ki Samla jong ka Shnong mau rapat u Samla pensyong dor sang diar ulaong bakum kinong syong Shnong ki persya jur ya ka jingle don bor uba kermens kem sang diar daga ba keno ru bala don ketilang da uwe ubre u batre haka office jong USDO kilaong bakane ka jingle kami hap satya Shushu ula kenoru ba uni urang ba Shnong ula pendu yaki skim JJM yaka wei ka long yeng. Ai yaki certificate Shnong haba don kam ki pad ba ki bam day ki badon hakaliang jong u. Bat kila pen paru yaka jingle don bor jong u hakaba ula seiru yaka pisa jong ki katu kat ningut ki job card holder jong ki pad ba ki batre yaka skim shispa sngi. Kumta nakaliang kinong Shnong kila dawa naka KGDC ban shimkia yakani kakam bat ban wengno mardor yau te urang ba Shnong.
Kuat jingle dan bor tu orang ba Shnong morpan master commerce kam syangya babun ba kalian akawi kamat ka ba kata kadi ba shift no ya ka morpat lower primary school syaka yin ba namar ba kaying no bahawli kamdei ka kayi school tu kata but tadi kita shift jung u hati jadi yang batu kita jung ke office apo SDO office SDEO office ke office di DI kemudian ba ndai kita babarok badan hutang ndai donwi officer okay office SDEO uba lali ikam tiba penjari ka morpat luar dari school namar ba kajing yang jung u chief no ke school but open kala but change ru ya yakinong nong shed nang ta hakading du no yu midmil nang tadi hakading du ya babun ba kajing mentoy kawi kalong ba kajing du kitna ikot kisla napo CRC ta kawi kidi kamat di mo nikum ki nong sosnong napo morpan persya jur ya kene namar ba kamorpat ka dorbar hol morpat kamdei ka kamdei ka yuskul kamut pakane ka de kajing le Assam kajing le bamsap jong orang ba snong bat kini bat uni master P sur ubadi USI jong ka office SDEO te habai dei bat kene ka kam nakali jungan ka school kya ba namar kajing du jing mentoy ka school kalong ba habai dei bat ya kajing mo ki umbam undi ka naka skim JJM kimyo namar ba kaladon ka jinglong ta bat ka wede ka jingdu yaki ka ta wad ka yaki kena bat lech toilet namar ka umi kalong very essential for us especially for the student tedi na takadaw ba ngal snguk ya ha wede ken kam kum kinong susna bangiwan nang tei ta ka mensem ka ba mi snguk ya niwan ni ha office chumpi tanam takakam but very susu martak kam snong kidon bon ki kam snong ki ba uni orang ba snong ule don bor ki paipa po snong tina takadaw ni hagri kisni tan tak bashan very bat ki uni USI namar bun sin ule igni ki kam ki ba mi happy dena takadaw ba ni de kasur ka ba kabas kami dekasur dakawi kasur ni dawa naka sorka wa dipet ya ka education department bayau ni officer uni ba pisun petarsun USI dai ban weng kam mordor yakum gini kijat namar balai bakata yakikna kakta ay puli
Pada kitu ki Khubor ngilapoi syaka bakut terhadu bangin daya syampiang kublai shibun.